In this module, we are going to review the process of globalization. Dear students, maybe you are thinking that there is some repetition in few topics. It is not a repetition, but it is reinforcement of the concept. We believe that while you are learning about the concept of the course sociology and globalization or sociology of globalization, you must understand the concept, or you must indulge yourself in the concepts again and again to reinforce the understanding regarding that concept. Globalization is referred to process of rapid political, economic, social, cultural, ideological, and institutional integration among countries. This unification is driven by the following factors: liberalization of trade, investment and capital flow, technological advances, pressures for assimilation towards international standards. Globalization makes the world more accessible to everyone. It is also characterized by the following features: changes in world economy, increased trade liberalization, cultural exchange, popular culture, exchange of technology, increased migration, and internationalization. If you could see this slide, that how the process of globalization happens, and what are the consequences of this increasing speed in development on different, I would say, domains, in different domains, how the development is going on and what is consequently happening there. Globalization is referred to the increasing interdependence, interconnectedness, integration, and interaction among people, societies, corporations, and nations in different parts of the world. Nations are linked through communication, information, trade, and technology. This scientific advancement and technological sophistication is making it more possible that increased interconnectedness among individuals, goods, and services, along with all other things, institutions, organizations, is going on and making this whole world a global village. Improved technology, international communication, domestic research, foreign knowledge, increased flow of information, global networking of companies, and global online community. All these are making this global village more integrated and interconnected with each other. Most scholars and researchers have a consensus that globalization is the product of the contemporary world. In this era, widespread development of infrastructure and connectivity to place as the source of that integration. Interaction between the nations increased, global flow of ideas and culture. This is happening onto all that compression of space and time at international level in the global village, and making the whole world is very much close to each other, making the whole world very much close to each other through that technological sophistication and scientific advancement.